there! Welcome to the channel. Have you ever felt like wasting time in those networking events? I've been there, and I figured there is a better way to meet people and build meaningful networks while enjoying the process. In this video, I'm going to share with you why business networking events don't work and what can you do instead. Let's check it out. I'm Carrie. I'm a former C-suite executive turned personal growth content creator. Let's look at why business networking events don't work for building network. When people go to business networking events, their primary goals are very different. For organizers, their intent is to get sales leads, build awareness of their messaging, or relationships with their attendees by providing valuable insights in the events. For the speakers, the primary intent is to build their profile, strengthen relationships with the organizers, or meet other speakers. For attendees, their intents could be to represent their company, to attend the events and support the organizers, to stay on top of the market, on the trends, data, and latest insights and developments, or to sell something to someone. Can you see the priorities are not about building meaningful networks? This is why you feel like wasting time. You cannot depend on these business networking events to build real connections. Instead, here's what you can do. Go for meaningful engagement experiences. For example, you can attend courses, join an interest group, or charity activities. You can choose any of these as long as they meet a few criteria. The first one is there is a common goal. With a common goal that will anchor the conversation topics and have a more meaningful exchange. Whether it's writing or fitness challenge, when you have a common goal, then you have some common topics to discuss. The second one is it shares a similar challenge during the activities because it will allow the opportunities for people to support each other in time of difficulties. That's when people build the relationships in a much more meaningful way. The third one is to spend more time regularly for a longer period of time because any relationships takes time to grow and develop. You have to get to know each other and build a trust along the way so that it allows deeper bonding. When you invest time in learning others genuinely and have some shared experiences while trying to achieve a common goal, that will foster a much deeper connection. It's a great use of your precious time where you can be yourself while building meaningful networks. Even in the worst case scenario, for whatever reasons you don't feel gel with the other people, you have already spent time meaningfully to either upgrade yourself or serve others, or both. Through my writing groups, I have built a network to support me to create this YouTube channel. I hope you will find yours to support you too. Thank you for watching. See you next time.